Hi friends, welcome to my channel Maths Academy by DG. Today we are going to continue one of the important concept. Okay, so just we have completed the minors and cofactors. So we are going to continue the related concept about the minor and cofactor here. Okay, this is the chapter number 4 determinants and the lecture number is what 13. Okay, see what is the note having in this board means. So I will explain what is the note is having. So because that I am taking one of the example here. The determinant is I will write one of the example A11, A12, A13. Okay. Next one is A21, A22, A23. Again A31, A32, A33. This is the determinant having on this board. Okay. Suppose I am going to say expand this determinant along the R1. Not only R1, you can take along the R2, R3, C1, C2, C3. But I am going to see here expand this determinant along the R1. Okay. How we can expand this means I will see here determinant is equal to I am going to write here now I will say minus 1 whole power. So what is the element here along the R1 means we have to check the element. Element is A11. So we have to write 1 plus 1 minus 1 whole power 1 plus 1 into we have to write the element A11. Okay. After that we have to close the address of this. Okay, now we are going to close the address of this. Then the left out part is here. So that is the minor. Yes or no? A22, A23, A31 and A33. Okay, we have completed the first element. Next, we are observing the second element here. So we have to write after this plus. Again, we have to check minus 1. What is the element having here? A1. Yes or no? A12 means we have to write A1 plus minus 1 whole power 1 plus 2 into element A12. Again, we have to write the minor. What is the minor? Means we have to close the address of this. C. Okay, the element will be what? A21, A23. Again, next one A31, A33. Over. Okay. So once again I am going to repeat what I am going to complete here. I will say first just you people have to observe here. So along the R1 I am going to expand this determinant. Okay. How I am going to expand means by taking the first element here minus 1 whole power whose address is 1 is there no 1 plus 1 into element into minor of this one. Again we are taking the second element here. Second element is A1, 2 is there na? Again whose address is 1 plus 2 into minor. Again last one is A13 is there na? Plus I will write minus 1 whole power A13 value is 1 plus 3 into element A1. Completed na? Again see. So we have to close the address of this, that is the we will say minor. So these values we have to write A21, A22. Again A31, A33, A32, yes, A32. Completed now? Once again, check. So I am going to close this one. Okay, this is the part A21, A22, A31, A32. Completed. So now, this is the expansion of the determinant along the R1. Okay, I will write for this. Determinant is equal to A11 element is there na? A11 into minus 1 whole power 1 plus 1 into this minor. We know that the cofactor, suppose I am asking for you people, write the cofactor of A11 means this is we can denote the cofactor for the element A11 is this one and A11 is nothing but the cofactor of the element A11 is equal to what will write minus 1 whole power 1 plus 1 into we can write by closing the address of this the minor is A22, A23, A32, again A33. By observing this place we can write what A11 capital A1. See A11 small A11 into C. This total part is again capital A11 or not. So that's why in place of this I am writing capital A11. That's all. Similarly A12 into I will write here again this is nothing but what cofactor of the capital A1 na? So that's why cofactor of the small element A12 is So we can write A1. After that, A13 into again the cofactor of what element A13 only na remaining part. So that's why A13. This is nothing but the we are expanding the determinant along the R1. Okay. So now what we are observing from this means this is we can say, so this is the not present here. Okay. What is that? See, now I will explain this one. Sum of the product of the element of any row or column with their corresponding cofactors is nothing but the expansion of the determinant. Okay. What is the expansion of the determinant means? I will see here sum of, this is sum of the product of, in between having the product, sum of the product of the element of the R1 we are taking. Any row means we are taking here what? R1. Okay. Sum of product of the element with their corresponding cofactors. See, what is the cofactor of small a1? 1, that is capital A1. Corresponding cofactor is again this one. Corresponding cofactor is this one. So this is the point I am going to write here. So this is the nothing but the determinant. We are making the expansion of the determinant is nothing but this one. Okay. So now see A11 capital A1 plus A12 A capital A12 plus A13 capital A13. Okay. This is the note about this. Okay. So now, and one more important note I am going to say here. Suppose we are taking the elements. Okay. By taking the first row elements, we are going to multiply. By taking the first row elements here, we are going to multiply with the second row cofactors. We are going to multiply with what? Second row cofactors. Then the sum is definitely 0. I will write here. See, what is that means? Just I will write element we are taking here what? A11 is the element. Okay. And now we are writing the cofactor is in the second row first element cofactor. A21. Capital letter means that is the cofactor. A11 element present in the first row. Now we are writing the cofactor in the second row. Okay. Plus. Now we are making the sum. Again A12 into we are writing the cofactor of this second row element, that is A2. Again A13 again A capital A23. Definitely this will give the result is what? 0. Okay. There is one of the problem also there. We can continue. Definitely I will say how we are getting the result of this one is 0. So once again I will repeat for this. See, the elements of the first row we are going to make the product with the cofactors of the second row, then the sum of that result is which is giving what? 0. Okay. So we can continue on the example. See, this is the example 22. Okay. So what we have to find in this, first we will observe here. All of you copy this question. Okay. So I will rub this one. Find minors and cofactors of the elements of the determinant. Means in this determinant we have to find the minor and cofactor for each and every element. Yes. In the previous class we have completed how to find the minor, how to find the cofactor also. Okay. You people can continue this solution and verify that. So we have to verify whether this is giving the result is 0 or not. Okay. What is this? See once again. A11 into capital A31. Whatever the capital letters are having, that indicates the cofactors. Okay. So now see one of the important note also I told just now. So A11 into A31 means A11 it is the first row. Okay. The elements of the first row which are multiplying with the cofactors of the second row, then the sum is giving the result is 0. In this question I will show that whether it is correct or wrong. Okay. First all of you copy this, I will rub. Okay, now we are taking here one by one we can continue the minor and cofactor. So M11 we know that. M11 is nothing but what? Minor of the element, first element 2. Okay. So minor of the element 2. See, just we have to close this one. Okay. For the minor I will write minor of A11. Okay. In place of A11, what will write? In place of A11, I will write here that is the element is what? 2 is there na? So minor of the element is what? 2. So now Just you have to close. Once again I am going to repeat here. See, close the address of this. It will be what 045 minus 7. 045 minus 7. Completed now. Next, the determinant of this one will be what? By making the cross multiplication for this. 0 into means 0 minus 5 into 4 is 20. So 20. Yes, M11 value we got here minus 20. That's all. Completed. Now we have to find the cofactor for this. Okay. Cofactor, that is we are writing M11 means capital A11 is equal to, okay, so capital A11 is equal to, again we are writing minus 1 whole power 1 plus 1 into capital M11, that's all. Minus 1 whole power 1 plus 1 is 2, means minus 1 whole power 2, it is a positive or negative? Positive, but M11 value is minus 20. Completed now, cofactor. So again we have to take here what? M12, okay. See, this is M12, okay. So minor of, I will write here, minor of, all of you continue, minor of element is minus 3, okay. This is nothing but, I will write here, minor of the element minus 3 means, now just close the address for this, like that, okay. 6, 4, 1 minus 7, 6, 4, 1 minus 7, okay. Then the cross multiplication of this, okay, 6 into 7 is minus 42, 7 6 are 42 minus 4 into 1 is 4, okay. So then the result is minus 46, okay. We got the minor here, okay. Now we have to write the cofactor for this element, okay. So cofactor for this element is, just I will write here, see, cofactor of, here only we can cover A12, capital A12, minus 1 whole power 1 plus 2 into, we have to write M12, oh, yes or no? So then, see, 1 plus 2 it will be given the result is 3, means minus 1 whole power 3, negative value na? So that's why minus of, again this is what? Minor is minus 46. So minus into minus plus, the result is 46. Capital A12 is what? 46, and capital M12 is what? Minus 46. Remember these two, okay. So then I will write here M13. It will indicate here what? First row, third column. Yes or no? So now minor of element 5, okay. So now just close the address for this again. See, 6051, that's all, okay. So then cross multiplication is 6 into 5, 30 minus 0, okay. It will be giving the result is 30, okay. Next one is, see, I will write here A13. What is this? Cofactor of the element 5, okay. Cofactor of the element 5 minus 1 whole power, what we have write 1 plus 3, okay. Next, after that into M13. So the 1 plus 3 is 4, means the power is even positive. So this is 30. Yes or no? Minor is 30. A13 is over. Okay. So then you people have to cover the remaining also. All of you complete this. Okay. Which one? Again you have to write what? Second row and third row also similarly. Okay. So by taking the second row here, M13. Sorry, what is that? M, second row is there, no? Second row is nothing but M2, second row. Which one? First column, M21. Okay, second row, first column. So now we can continue here. Minor of this 6. Okay, so minor of this 6, it will be what? Minor of this 6 is, again close the address here. Now minus 3. Actually you people have to cover this, yes or no? Then the cross multiplication, minus and minus plus, 7 into 3 is 21 minus 5 5 is 25, which is giving minus 4. Now I will write the cofactor for this A21, okay, because of second row, first column. Okay, so now this can be written as minus 1 whole power 2 plus 1 into M21. Okay, so this is 2 plus 1 is nothing but what? 3. So power is odd number, it will give the sign is negative, minus. Already having the m21 negative, minus 4. Minus and minus plus. Okay, just I will rub this. See. So up to here we have completed now. Now I am taking here m22. m22 is equal to, what is that? Second row, second column. Okay. By closing this part 2 5, directly I am writing it 2 5. Okay, and 1 minus 7. See once again, this is the part I am going to place, yes or no. So 2 5 1 minus 7. Then the result will be what? So cross multiplication is minus 14 minus 5. It will be given the result is minus 19. Yes or no? Next, after that we are writing the cofactor for this a22 is equal to, what is the minus 1 whole power 2 plus 2 into m22. Now this is the positive sign, so m22 only, m22 value is minus 19. Okay, so you people can do one by one, yes or no. It's a very simple one. Okay, not the toughest part. So m23 means m23 is nothing but what? Second row last column. By closing second row last column, it will give in the what? So 2 minus 3 1 5. Yes or no? 2 minus 3 1 5. That's all. So next, find the 10 minus of 1 into minus 3 is minus 3. So then 10 minus into minus plus 3. So it is what? 30. Okay. Then the cofactor of this one will be what again? Cofactor of this one is a23 minus 1 whole power 2 plus 3. We have done m23. Okay. So 2 plus 3 is 5. It is what? Order is, whose power is odd number. So that's why it is negative sign. Okay, so minus m23 value is what? 13. So minus 13. It is very simple now. So now we are taking here the element is 1. So minor of the element 1 is, so we are writing here the address is 3 1. Yes or no? Third row first column. So it is third row first column now. Just I am going to close this one. Okay. So by closing this, what is left? Minus 3 5 and 0 4. Then cross multiplication is minus 1 plus minus 4 3 are 12 minus 0, it is minus 12. So now we will write here the cofactor for this a31 minus 1 whole power 3 plus 1 into I am writing a31. Okay, then 3 plus 1 is 4 means positive, and m31 value is already minus 12. Okay, so completed now. So then we have taken 3 1 is completed. Now the cofactor of this one we can find. Before that, minor is m32. m32 is again C. Close this one address. So it will be 2 5. Okay. Next one is 6 4. Once again I will write. Check here. See, this is the address. Yes or no? 2 5 6 4. So now the cross multiplication for this will be what? 2 into 4 is 8. Okay. Next 6 into 4 is 30. Okay. Next after that minus 22. Completed now. So now the cofactor for this will be again what? So minus 1 whole power, see the address 3 plus 2 into we can write m32. Now this 3 plus 2 is 5 means again it is an odd. Okay, so that's why we'll be right here. So now this is the minus and m32 value is again minus 22. Minus and minus plus 2. Next, in the end, that is the last one. After this we can verify this one. So minor is 3 3. Now the address for this we are going to close. We are having 2 minus 3 6 0. Okay, yes or no? So now the cross multiplication for this 2 into 0 0 minus. So already having minus 6 3 is 18. So minus 18. So minus and minus plus 18. Now cofactor for this is a33 is equal to minus 1 whole power 3 plus 3 into m33. Yes or no? After that, see here minus 1 whole power 3 3. So it is what? 6, even number, positive. So it is again what? 18. Okay. See, observe here we have completed up to here what? Minor and cofactor for the given determinant. Now we have to verify so whether this is giving the result is 0 or not. Yes, all the values are having here. A11 is nothing but first element. A12 it is the second one. A13 third one. Yes or no? After that A31 is already having here. Okay. Just I will rub this one, this part. I will take this one here and the values are already having. See, A31 is there, A32 is there, A33 also there. Now we can substitute this. See, we have to verify whether this given the result is 0 or not. I will write here A11, A31, A12, A32, and next one is A13, A33. Okay, I will check if the result of this one is 0 or not. A11 is nothing but first row first element is 2, and A31 already there minus 12, plus A12 first row second column, yes, minus 3. Next one A32 is here 22. Okay, next one A13, where is the A13? First row second column element 5, and what about the A33? That is the 18. Okay, now plus and minus 24 minus plus and minus, again this is what 3 to the 6, 3 means 66, plus this is 90, 18 5 is 90. Next one, by adding this you will be get here what 70, 80, 90, minus 90 plus 90. Okay, the result is what 0. Okay, this is the answer. All of you complete the exercise 4.4. Thank you.